Hey YouTube, it's me Chandler. Draw like a
nerd. And we're back. Hey YouTube, how's it going? So we're back here, and we're going to get ready to start coloring our Flareon and make this stop looking so creepy. Let's do it. So for today, our Flareon, as our source tells us, it's got a pretty simple color design. Nothing too major. Just two main colors. And so for today, we are going to be using Vermilion Chrome Yellow, Prussian Blue Light. I don't know. And then of course we're going to get some black that still has yellow from our Flareon picture, and we're going to get some white that still has yellow from our Flareon. Jolteon. That's a mistake. Our Jolteon pictures. Oops. Now we color. So, as we always do, we're going to start with our legs and get this body down. Get the fingers warmed up. Let's go. And there is Flareon's body. Pretty easy, pretty simple, easy going with this one. Not as many jig-jaggedy spikes as Jolteon, which was one of the challenges of that drawing. This is pretty nice and easy. These spiky tail stuff might get in the way, but that's what we got this pointy blender for. The tail. Cool. We gotta get our main business going here. Okay, ear, eyes, nose, mouth, boom. There it is. You know, never really gets old. Completing the eyes and seeing that just complete shift from a possessed, murderous zombie to just cute, fluffy fur ball with filling in those eyes. So, now that we've got this all colored, we're gonna get into some outlining and really making this thing pop. Okay. There is Flareon all dolled up for the most part here. We were this close to perfection, I think. As you can see, this nose and in the outlining portion, my shadow of my hand from my light here kind of screwed me up, and I broadened that nose a little bit more than it needed to. So now, Flareon's just got a slightly bigger nose than I want. But do we throw it out? No. We march on. We accept it. We call it a character. A character aspect, not even a character flaw, just a defining feature of my Flareon. My Flareon happens to have a slightly bigger nose, and it got made fun of by all the other reindeer. So we're gonna need to get ourselves a little background on this. Now, I thought instead of me just coloring it to get this on here, I thought we might use the magic of editing. So we're gonna try this out. Okay. Ta-da! Wow, the magic of editing. Okay, cool. All done. Now just one last thing to do. March 22nd, 2019, on this day, I completed Flareon. Okay, guys. Guess I'll see ya back in the room. And here is our final Flareon. A little cutie. Nose is a little big, but you know what? I don't care. I like him. But let's put him on the wall. Oh my gosh. And with that, we have the Gen 1 Eevee line finished. Insert cheering noises. Yay me, yay us. Okay. I'm pretty happy. I like what's going on my wall, and I hope you do too. So let me know in the comments below. If you did like it, hit that like button. If you think other people would like it, and I mean this, hit that share button. Spread the word of Draw Like a Nerd. And if you want to see the next episode where we get into the Gen 2 Eeveelutions, you gotta hit that subscribe button. I got new videos here every Tuesday and Thursday. I've been Chandler, you've been the best, and this has been Draw Like a Nerd!